Hello, this is the unboxing for the Viewpad10s for Viewsonic. This is a nice box, as you can see. Here you have the specifications: 10.1 inch multi-touch panel, NVIDIA Tegra 250 dual codecs, supports Android 2.2, Wi-Fi, and HDMI Full HD. Okay, let's unbox it. Here we have this is a quick guide, English, Chinese and Japanese, or something like that. Here is the tablet, quite nice. Here is the video camera. Here is a port dock or something like that. Nothing in this side. Here we have the power. This is a screen lock, and not sure about this button. And here we can see the power for the headphones, and here is let's see if I can open it. HDMI connection, USB, and micro SD slot card. It's quite nice. Here is the charger. This is the micro SD card, 16 gigabytes, and nothing else. Let's see if okay, cheers.